Hi, I wanted to share my joy of planning sticker unboxing, so if that's something you want to see, keep watching. I've been super excited about this one. It comes all the way from the Netherlands. So she does have to get one free sheet when you buy 18, and you just put the little stickers on. One of the things that I really like about her is she has these cute little avatars, and you can customize them with your skin tone and hair color. Another free die cut. That was her autistic one. And this is one I ordered. It is a superhero, so when I cosplay. Another little die cut. This was for weight loss, which is something I'm trying to do. It's super cute. Then I got a whole sticker set of the Wonder Woman avatars. And this one is actually an eyelash one. A little close up for you. Then we have one eating tacos for Taco Tuesday. I love the detail on these. So you can buy them in 25 or 36. 36 obviously smaller. Anything with details, I got the bigger ones. So this one was the weight loss, and I got the smaller ones. Then I got her kind of like sampler of all her winter. Look how cute they are. Those we got like our frozen, and had look at the little cocoa, baking cookies, sending out packages, shoveling snow, presents, like I said, all so cute. Then we have our planner one. And come on, 2020, the masks, the peekaboos. I love those. And then I got one of her kill kits. It's her winter one, so I could use it after Christmas. It is for the Erin Condren, but I'm going to try it in my Happy Planner. And that's it.